idea that you are comfortable in Bhopal. Now suppose you tell me about your education and training. In this I will be interested in the subject you like the most, you did not care for so much and the grades and even the exam. What were the extracurricular activities available in the school, college, the events you have taken part in, and any special achievement in this field? Do tell me about your friends, your closest friends, your teachers you like the most, and how your education was financed.
So starting from my class 12, I have got 52% in my class 10, and in my class 12 I have got 67%. Talking on my graduation, in my graduation I have scored 82% in my graduation. If I talking on my favorite subject in my 10th as well as in my 12th, my favorite subject in 10th was mathematics, and my favorite subject in 12th was business studies. And if I talk about my favorite subjects in my graduation, it was business statistics and advertising management. So if I talk about my interest in my favorite subject, I was very curious in business from my childhood, as I born and grown up in a business family. So I have a very keen interest in business. So if I talk about if I talk about my curricular activities in my school as well as in my college, in my school I was very active in my sports as well as co-curricular activities. Starting, I was a part of the choir group of the school, where I was a very main member of the choir group. Then I was leading my school in a band group, and I have learned various instruments in school. I have represented my school in band group competition too. Talking about my achievements in sports, I was an athlete in my school, as I have won various medals in 100 meter, 400 and relay race also. Any special achievement that I have in my school is I have been to Spellbean competition, which is I have qualified for national round, which is going to be held in Maharashtra, and I have represented my school in Madhya Pradesh level. The other achievement which I have in my school, I have been to various clusters like football cluster, volleyball cluster and basketball clusters, and also represented my school in Sahodai group of Sahodai Kund in Bhopal itself. In graduation, in my graduation 3 years, I have been an NCC cadet. In NCC, I have done a lot of achievement. If I talk about, I have given my give a guard to DG, Lieutenant General Gurveer Par Singh. The other achievement which I have been to various camps like TSC, RDC till Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh level. I have attended a national integrated ALC camp which is held in Hyderabad, and I was the senior of the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate in Hyderabad. If I talk about various different achievement in NCC, I have also got it Bhopal Group Best CWS Best Cadet Scholarship from Bhopal and NCC Bhopal. Other achievement, I was very good in my singing, so I have represented Madhya Pradesh tourism in Sagar, which in a 10-day course and I have represented there. Also, if I talk about my achievement in singing, I have done various concerts and various gigs in Bhopal, including Bismil Ki Mehfil, Bhopal Music Carnival, and I have represented there, and my college. If I talk about my favorite teacher in my class 10, 12 and my graduation, my favorite teacher in class 10 was Lucas sir, as I have a very keen interest in music. So Lucas sir used to taught me every basics of singing. In my class 12, Reena Mandloi ma'am is my favorite teacher because she taught us business. As business, she gave very good example, and I really take interest in it. Talking about my graduation, my favorite teacher is Parmendra Jaini sir in my graduation. He was our management teacher. As in management, he taught various techniques like planning, organizing, staffing, and various things that has been very known in our daily life. So I took very keen interest, and I love the way he taught. If I talk about my school friends in my school and my college, in my school I have two main friends, Elvin Manis and Rajnandini Singh Solanki. And in my class, in my graduation, I have a very good friend, Fateh Singh Baghel. He is also an army brat, and he used to taught me very good. He used to taught me about army. And Fateh Singh Baghel also take me to the investiture ceremony of Southern Command, from where I have learned a lot about army. So I think Fateh is one of my best friends. My education is financed by my parents since childhood. And
okay, by chance अगर तुम्हें वो बोलते हैं 12th and above, तो फिर 10th को गैप कर देना, ठीक है? और तुम्हारा ये प्रोफाइल है थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाएगा. 67 and above